In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a weekly timesheet in QuickBooks Online, a crucial task for keeping track of employee hours and staying on top of payroll management. Whether you're a small business owner or handling the finances for a larger team, understanding how to efficiently enter timesheets can save time and improve accuracy in your bookkeeping process. So, let's dive into it, shall we? First and foremost, you'll need to log into QuickBooks. Head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. For this tutorial, make sure you opt for QuickBooks Online. If you haven't entered your credentials yet, this is the time to do so. Once you've input your information, click on Continue. This will direct you to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you are logged in, it's time to select your QuickBooks accountant profile. This is essential as it ensures that the timesheets are connected to the correct account for accurate record keeping. Next, navigate to the New section. This is where you start entering data relevant to your timesheets. To do so, go to the top menu and find the option for Weekly Timesheet. Clicking on this will open up a fresh weekly timesheet form. Make sure at this point that you know which employee's time you'll be logging. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the desired employee for whom you are entering time. With the right person chosen, it's time to fill out the details. Under the Employees section, you will see spaces where you can enter relevant information such as the project, description, or any notes, you name it. The more specific you are, the more helpful it will be for accurate records and payroll processing. Then it's on to the hours worked. There are columns available where you can input the start and end times for each day of the week. If the employee worked varying hours each day, make sure to reflect that accurately. This will ensure there's no discrepancy when calculating their payment. Finally, after confirming all the information is correct, you can go ahead and click on the Save and Close button at the bottom of the timesheet. This step will ensure that all your entries are saved and your timesheet is closed properly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enter a weekly timesheet in QuickBooks Online. Remember, accurate timesheets are vital for proper payroll management, and doing them right will help you maintain smooth operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made entering timesheets a clearer and simpler process for you. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.